today I will try to attempt another Hermes unboxing. Please guys, stay with me. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. My name is Oksana and today I will try to unbox another Hermes item. Recently I posted video everything you need to know buying from Hermes website. I'm gonna link it somewhere, and that unboxing didn't go through as I planned. I purchased Hermes Kelly and the size wasn't right for me. Right after that video I ordered another Hermes bracelet, and this time I ordered CDC bracelet. I even post the picture of the bracelets that I'm gonna buy, and today I'm gonna unbox and I'm gonna compare with my other CDC bracelet because I already have one CDC bracelet, so I'm gonna do comparison of the leather and the hardware, color of the hardware. So let's quickly unbox. And what I have to tell you is that packaging first time and the second time were totally different. The first time I had a beautiful Hermes box, but this time it just came in this kind of, like, you know, carton box, nothing special. Obviously the receipt is here, and that's about it. So this packaging was slightly disappointing for me, though it was actually from the same boutique in Toronto. So let's just unbox, and I guess there will be no surprise for any of you the bracelets that I choose, because I've been raving about this bracelet. Here you go guys, a CDC bracelet, or collier de chien, which is supposed to be the collar for the dog. And I've been talking about this bracelet for a very long time. I want to add to my collection for very long time. If you're into luxury, if you're into fashion, please consider subscribing to my channel. I do lots of unboxing of the handbags. I'm total handbag addict. I do also lots of review of any custom jewelries from the designers, shoes, outwear. Anything has to do with the fashion, I love it, and I hope you love it too. So please consider my channel to your subscription, because I definitely want to see you again on my channel. Join my family. And this one I ordered T3 size, so let's try it. Oh yeah, actually even T3, maybe slightly big. What do you think guys? Because this is one before the last one, so I can literally put even on the last one. Let me try if I can put on the last one. No, I think I mean I can, but it's slightly tight. So that's the CDC size T3, so I have plenty of options if I'm gonna gain weight, which is I'm not supposed to. So there you go, this is the CDC T3. And I mean, I could do the CDC T2 easily. That's why there is a little bit confusion about the sizes. Kelly bracelet, I definitely need T3, because T2 I can do it, but pretty much just on the last, you know, the slot over there. And then if I gain a little bit of weight, or if I have any water retention, I cannot wear it at all. So this one, obviously I have lots of options. So now I'm even thinking if I should once again exchange it to T2. You see how it's right there in the middle, so it's actually quite nicely looking. So guys, what do you think? I think I should keep this one. I think I should keep it. Obviously there is a bunch of protective plastics all over the hardware. I have to remove it later on. Now I'm a little bit confused about the size. It's kind of, let me try the T2s that I have already. Let me try this T2. Okay, because this one I have T2 size. I feel like T2 is more comfortable. Like, this is really confusing. This is very confusing. Oh my goodness, I'm not sure what to do. Okay, because this is the T2 size, but I mean T2 pretty much I'm like, you know, doing on the one opening before the last one. So I don't know guys, I really don't know, I'm confused. Anyway, most likely I'm gonna cut all this, my discussion with myself, and not show to you. But let me try once again the T3. So this is the T3, but I feel it's almost like too much. I'm not sure. So let's just do comparison between these two bracelets. So one I have in black and gold, and this is the box leather. It's very soft, and obviously not the most durable one because it's soft. And the hardware, it's a gold plated hardware. So that's what you have. And this bracelet I have in epsom leather. The color is a taupe, and it's a palladium plated hardware. And this bracelet I got it at Las Vegas. It's very nice memory, like, you know, for me from that trip. And I was actually, when I brought it to Canada, I thought like maybe I'm gonna go to Hermes and exchange it for the black, but I'm glad that I didn't, because this bracelet is really perfect. I love it that the leather is more durable on the light color, and this light color is so nude. I almost like feel it's slightly visible, I would say, on my skin. I really love it because sometimes when I want to go for a meeting, like, you know, more formal meetings, if I would have wear something like that, it's a little bit harsh looking, but this one almost completely blends with any of my outfits, and I absolutely love it. This one is definitely if you wanna flash that you're wearing Hermes bracelet, because this is definitely you know, more flashy. I'm just kind of still looking at these two bracelets. So these two bracelets that I have right now in my collection, and I absolutely love it. I'm looking forward to using this one very much. This bracelet was actually on my wish list, and it was on my wish list last year, but I got this one, and then it's kind of shifted to the wish list on this year, and I really glad that I got it. Definitely happy that I'm gonna wear this bracelet all summer long, because when it comes to the bracelets and anything like, you know, in bracelet jewelry, I don't really like to wear it much in winter time, because like, you know, it's kind of stuck in the gloves and stuff. But in summertime I love wearing bracelets, and I'm definitely looking forward to you know, wearing this bracelet. So there we go. This is the options that I have from my bracelet. If you have any questions in regards to any of wear and tear on this one, because this one is the, oh my gosh, it's so hearty. I love the leather, I love everything. The only wear and tear on this one, if I could just like, you know, get the focusing, you see, it's like when this little ring banging up and down, you can see that there is right there scratches. I hope it's focusing. It's yeah, quite visible scratches right there. So that's what I don't like, but that's the only wear on that bracelet, and I really use it. It's not sitting in my closet. I really use that bracelet so very much, and I hope that I'm gonna enjoy this bracelet as well. So we shall see, we shall see. All right. Oh, I totally forgot to show you, let me show you this bracelet inside. So that's how it looks like. So that's how it looks like inside. That's the sizing right there. It says made in France. I hope it's not upside down. So but right in the middle over there it says made in France, and right on this buckle it also says Hermes. And that's how this side look like. Absolutely gorgeous bracelet. I mean, what else can you ask? Little bit concerned about box leather. If any of you guys have this bracelet in box leather, please put your comments below about wear and tear, because I have this in epsom and I love it, absolutely love it, because there is no wear and tear whatsoever. But this one is a little bit concerned of wear, but I mean, nothing is forever. let's put it this way. Alrighty guys, so that's about it for today's video, I guess, and I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, don't forget to give me likes. Please put your likes. If you like my channel in general, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye bye.